So I'm Tristan, owner of Locke Performance. We're in Napanee, Indiana. Our wheelhouse, I guess, would be light-duty diesel trucks. What originally drew me to Autoshop Solutions was, so we also use Mechanic Advisor as well too, and so it was the integration between the two. That was part of that. I really like the platform that Autoshop Solutions provides. Since coming on with them almost a year ago, we've seen a large influx of new customers coming in, and obviously, you know, with our initial conversation with any new customer that comes in, we want to know, how they heard about us, that kind of thing. And they're all, we did a Google search and we're looking through your reviews, Google reviews, and just really impressed. And so I'm going to say that the majority of our new customers that come in the door, it's going to be like them reading from a card. We're going to get the same response every time. So we really didn't have a good online presence prior to Autoshop Solutions. I guess building out that side of our business is kind of what we gained by, like I said, we did have a website prior as an e-commerce website. We did sell some parts, that kind of thing. We kind of moved away from that to more of a service-based business model, which is why we changed gears and went with the website that we have now. But, I mean, honestly, the experience has been positive all the way around. The platform is super easy. With the social media and all the stuff that we do has really worked out great. So no complaints on my side at all.